Huawei has officially confirmed the Mate 70 series launch on November 26. This is the first look at the Mate 70 series design. The phone features a large circular camera bump on the rear. The series consists of 4 models: Mate 70, Mate 70 Pro, Mate 70 Pro Plus, and Ultimate Design. Huawei Mate 70 Pro has leaked in a live image. Huawei Mate 70 come in gold silk and silver brocade colors. Curved LTPO display measuring 6.88 inches in size and 1.5K in resolution with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and 3D TOF technology for secure facial recognition. Huawei Mate 70 Pro powered by Kirin 9100 AP chipset. Huawei Mate 70 offer a triple lens camera system, a 50MP periscope lens offering 3.5x optical zoom. The battery capacity is still unknown, less than 6,000 mAh. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.